Holy shit. I mean, I think it's pretty clear cut. Sledgehammer versus Lighters, Sledgehammer wins. So let's go check the high speed and see exactly what went down. So that was one of the wildest things that I think we've ever shot. The high-speed footage looks pretty crazy. If you can think of a better way to smash a lighter, let us know in the comments. Also comment with anything else you want to see us smash. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and don't forget to come back to watch more sweet videos.